It's Eminem, Econ, Morgan and Muse Economics, back with another video.
Round 5. This time we're talking about the 4 origins of monopolies.
Now the first origin of a monopoly is economies of scale, which provides for a barrier to entry.
Economies of scale makes it impractical to have smaller firms. Their costs are too high, leading them to be forced out.
Now an example of this can be electric companies. With electric or utility companies, if 3 companies were competing, then they would have higher costs.
Having only one electric company keeps prices low for consumers.
Eminem Econ is on its way to see Bill Gates, the founder of the monopoly, Microsoft.
But before we get there, let's talk about the second origin of monopolies, technology or common use.
Patents and widespread availability of certain products lead to only one major firm controlling a market.
Some examples of this are Band-Aid, Frisbee, Intel, and where we're headed, Microsoft. What makes Microsoft a monopoly is the fact that it had the first operating system, and so it has dominated the market.
The third barrier of entry is geography.
Location or control of resources limits the competition and leads to one supplier.
This gas station is the only gas station within a 600-mile radius. That means that they get to control the price because there's nowhere else to buy gas. Our meeting with Bill Gates got canceled, but we're still here at Clark Public Utilities to show you the fourth barrier of entry, the government. One way the government can provide a barrier to entry is by issuing patents to protect and forbid others from using an inventor's invention.
But also, the government allows monopolies for public benefit and to stimulate innovation.
For example, Clark Public Utilities is sanctioned by the government to provide the people of Clark County with quality and affordable utilities. Our favorite industry professional, Bill Hughesby, is here to talk about an example of a government barrier to entry relating to patents.
So, when you patent something, you want to keep the competition from being able to use your design. The iconic design patent is Coca-Cola. So nobody else can use this font or spelling and try to sell Coke. So only Coca-Cola can do it.
Now that we've gone over the 4 origins of monopolies, let's test out what you remember with a practice problem.
Eminem Econ invented a new microphone that can tell who is talking and block out all of their noise. This microphone is unique and one of a kind, so Eminem protected it with a patent. The microphone is now very popular and is widely used. What type of barrier to entry or origin of monopolies is this?
Pause the video and give this a try. This applies mainly to technology and common use. Our microphone is unique and used across the world by everyone. We also have a patent on it, meaning no one else can produce anything like it or use it.
This also relates to the government barrier to entry because the patent is issued by the government.
Thank you for watching our video on the 4 origins of monopolies.
It's Eminem Econ signing off.